My name's Tim Turner. I'm an employee here at Newman Tractor. Today we're going to work on one of these 3000 Morookas. They're very tough, but unfortunately this one has worn out track and a worn out idler. We're going to go ahead and replace it. First things first, we got to get the Morooka off the ground, put some jack stands, put it on the cross members so we can get it high enough to where we can loosen the track up all the way and get this track pulled off. And next we're going to take the track tension out. A little trick that we do around here, we put a pin right in the center of the track. That way when we move the track forward, it goes against the idler. So that's the only way we can get it off here. When we get the forklift back over here, we're going to lift the track up and we're going to pull these top rollers off. I want the least amount of resistance up on the top as possible. When I have a bolt that don't want to break free with me, tighten it first and then I'll loosen it. Breaks all the rust off them threads on the bolt. As you can see, we got our pin between the idler and the track. What that does is it gives us enough space to get it off the idler. And we're going to use a forklift to kind of walk the track off the idler. Now it's going to start the tug of war. We got the track off, the bearings inside the idler are completely gone. Ain't supposed to do that. That's why we're going to have to replace this one. We're going to use the crane on this service truck to get this thing dropped down. We're replacing an idler on another a VDR actually. We have the crane in here just like this. I have my hand in between the track and the frame. The track relaxed and it just dropped straight on my hand. Safety, because it pretty much fractured my hand in two different locations. There's your tidbit for the day. Not only were the bearings on the pivot shaft completely worn out, and the wheel itself was worn down. Pulling it up is probably not going to work, so what I'm going to do is place a floor jack underneath here. Maybe the tension from the bottom and the tension from the top will actually raise it up into place. Now we got the idler replaced, we're going to go ahead and set the track on. We got Wyatt. He's kind of the forklift guru when it comes to putting the tracks on, so he's going to show you how he does them. Go ahead, Wyatt.
Try to teach Tim a lesson too while I'm doing it.
Yeah.
There is no set way of removing the track and installing the track, so you pretty much kind of got to do it by feel or trial and error. And in this case, it's been trial. Put some pins in, tug of war, push it in, and eventually ride it up on the idler, and you're good to go. As you see, it was a tough outing, but it's on. We're going ahead and put these rollers on, and we can roll forward, get the track tension put on it. We use this as a wear indicator. When the track starts to wear down, this hump right here will go away. You average the two measurements out, and there should be a 3/4 inch distance between the two. 37.5, so we're right where we need to be. Alright, as you can see, we got the track and the idler on. So if you need any Morooka or crawler carry needs, just visit us at newmantractor.com. Thank you.